Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to set up Face Unlock on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first, go into the Settings, Security and Privacy. In here, find Device Unlock, Face Unlock. Now enter your PIN or password and agree. Now hit Start and center your face in this circle right here. And now, as you can see, it's done. We can check if it's working. As you can see, it does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.